When our preschooler outgrew her starter slide, the Step2 Naturally Playful Big Folding Slide was the perfect next step. It has a longer sliding surface and more room to climb, but it also offers the features you need for peace of mind, like high side rails and easy grip handles. I love the tasteful, contemporary design of this slide. The outdoor textures and the warm, neutral colors look great next to our outdoor furniture and landscaping. This slide is durable and withstands the elements season after season. And the best part? It folds easily for storage and transport. We hang it in the garage when it's not in use. The Step2 Naturally Playful Big Folding Slide is one of our kids' favorite outdoor play items and is Step2's largest freestanding slide.